Welcome students. I hope you are reviewing the video what you have seen last time. Today we will going to continue from the point we have stopped. Good. Can you remember us what you have seen last time? Students, please respond your answer to your parents. Parents, help the students to respond the questions what we have been dealing with last time. Are you telling to your parents? Good. Students, we have seen about forces. We say that force is pushing or pulling of an object. If you remember, we said that to move a given object from one place to another place, it needs exertion of forces. So, and we said that force, for example, when you push a given chairs, when you pull ropes, and also when you kick the balls, you are indirectly exerting of a force on a given object, Students, thank you very much. We also seen about a number of forces like gravity, frictional force, and weights. Thank you very much. Good. We say that gravity is invisible type of force which can act on an object down towards the earth by 9.8 meter per second square. So Isaac Newton was first predict these gravitational forces. So we say that also weight is a gravitational force acting on a body of an object. So weight can be represented by W, and W is equals to mass times G, or gravity. Say that. Good. Today we're going to see the next topics: effect of force. Effect of force. Students, what is the effect of force on a given object? Can you try? Please tell your answer to your parents. What is the effect of force on a given object? When you exert force on a given object, what will be happen on that object or on that body? Are you telling your answers? Good. Students, the first one is a force acting on an object, may cause the object to shift or change. The first one is the positions. Look, students, when you apply a force on a given object, first the position of a given object will be changed. Mean that the force what we apply on a given object change the position or the place of a given body or a given object. So the effect of force is first changing or shifting the position of a given object. Position. Good. The second one is shifting or changing of the directions. Changing of the directions. Good. So even the third one is even it can change the shape of an object. shape of an object. Students, these three main things can be affected when the force is applied on a given object. The first one, shifting of the position of a given mass. The second one is shifting or changing of the direction of a given object. The third one is even the force what we act on a given object will change the shape of that object. So this is the three basic things of effect of forces. Thank you very much, students. Just now we are going to pass to the simple motion. By the way, students, before going to talk a variety of motions, what is the function of motion? Why motion is needed? A lot of different type of motions, from a simple motion to heavy motions, are found in our country, in our locality, even in our homes. What are the effects? What are the usefulness of these motions? Can you try, students? Good. Tell your answers to your parents. Parents, encourage them to respond the questions. Good. So, motion is first, motion help us to do work very easily. Why we use machines? For example, in our country, different type of machines are found. What are the benefits or what are the usefulness of such machines? Because mainly machine is used to do works in a very easy manner. That's why machine help us to do work very easy manners. So simple motion change is a device that can change the magnitude and or direction of force. Students, simple motion mainly used for changing the magnitude or the direction of a given forces. So look, it is a device. Motion is a device. Every motions, from a simple motion to the heavy motions, which are found in our surroundings, change at least one of the purposes. They may change the magnitude or they may change the directions. They may change the direction of forces. So, some motions change, some motion change the direction of force. Examples. Some machines change the directions only, the direction of force only. Examples, pulley is a machine which can change the direction of a given forces only. The second one is some machines increase the magnitude of forces. Good. Students, some motions increasing or multiplying the magnitude of force. You see, the magnitude of force. Some motions increase, we can say multiply. So some motions multiply or increase the magnitude of forces. Example, levers increase the magnitude of a given forces, and some other motions are increase. Look, students, increase the speed. For examples. Do you know the motions that increase or that can multiply the speed? Students, can you give an examples for the motions which can multiply or increase the speed? Good. For examples, bicycles multiply or increase the speed of forces. So some motions are increasing the speeds like bicycles. So bicycle increase the speeds. So some motions increase the magnitude like a lever, some motions increase the speeds like a bicycle, and some motions change the directions like a pulley. So students, what you have concluded from this is that every motions to have their own specific purposes. I will repeat it again. Every motions in our surroundings, from simple motion to the heavy motions, do have their own specific functions. Good. Simple motions include the first one is, look, simple motions include, the first one is inclined plane. The second one is, look, lever. The third one is pulley. And the fourth one is wheel and axle. These all things are motions, simple motions. So simple motions are inclined plane, lever, pulley, wheel.
አስኳላ ልጆን በቤቶ የሚያስተምሩበት አማራጭ ፊልም። አዳዲስ ፊልሞቻችን እንዲደርሱ ሰብስክራይብ በማድረግ የቻናላችን ቤተሰብ ይሁኑ። ፊልሞቹን ሼር በማድረግ ለወዳጅ ዘመዶ ያጋሩ። አስኳላ አማራጭ የማስተማሪያ ዘዴ